Welcome to this presentation on examining the role of headlines in news framing. This research was conducted by Arpita Chowdhury and published in Volume 5, Number 1, 2025, January to June 2025. Today, we will explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Have you ever noticed how a single headline can completely change your perception of a news story? It is like framing a photograph. What you choose to include or exclude drastically alters the final image. Headlines in news operate similarly. They are not just summaries, they are powerful tools that shape how we understand and react to information. This video explores the significant role headlines play in shaping news. To understand the power of headlines, this research paper analyzed two specific examples from major Indian newspapers. The study focused on headlines from the Times of India and the Telegraph. These headlines were selected because they generated significant public attention and demonstrated different framing techniques. The researchers used a method called content analysis. The first case study examined the Times of India's headline, Donald Trump's death. This headline was published after an assassination attempt on Donald Trump. This headline was chosen because it showed how the publication drew attention. The study found that the Times of India used clever wordplay to grab reader attention, even though it risks spreading misinformation. The Times of India headline illustrates how ambiguity can be used to create buzz. While some readers applauded the wit, others criticized the headline for potentially misleading readers. Researchers concluded that while the headline generated attention, it also raised questions about journalistic ethics and the potential for sensationalism. The Telegraph headline demonstrates how cultural context and satire can be powerful tools for framing. Headlines are much more than simple summaries. They are strategic tools that play a critical role in framing news stories, influencing public perception, and shaping Rajneetic discourse. This research underscores the need to critically examine headlines and recognize their power to guide our understanding of the world.